Hi, it's Angie from Georgia, USA. I'm taking a video of my kitties. They're looking out, especially Annie. They're looking out at these birds that are making a lot of noise. There's some birds that are all excited because a cat, one of the outdoor cats, did something they didn't like, and they just chased her down and hit her like they were a plane, like it was a plane diving on. It reminded me of the war when the planes would dive down. Well, anyway, it's got the kitty cats fascinated. Annie and Tina are fascinated from all the commotion that the birds are making. They're still excited. Look at the, it's so cute. They're just fascinated. They're just really having a show. This doesn't happen. This never happens. I think they're leaving now. Well, it's all died down. The birds have gone away. Have a good day wherever you are.